Welcome to my channel Learn Math with Syed Ali. So we have our topic algebraic expressions, and we will be continuing this with some more examples, and then we will be doing in the next video some equations. So continuing our topic, M toonies. Now I have to express all this in dollars, right? In dollars. So we know that toonies, that means M toonies. Toonies is $2, right? So how I have to express it? If I have M toonies, I will say in dollars I have 2M, right? So this is my expression because I know that toonies is $2. Therefore, I have to write this. N quarters. Now, quarter is 1/4 of a dollar, and 1/4 means 1/4, and that means 0.25, right? So in terms of dollar, how can I say it? I will say 0.25 N. No matter how many quarters I have to do 1/4 of it or times by 0.25 to get my dollars, right? If I have, for example, 8 quarters, right? So how many dollars I have? Times 1/4 or 0.25. So I have $2. So I can get from this expression, I can get whatever quarters I have, I can calculate my dollars, right? Similarly, loonies. Loonies are $1. Toonies are $2. Therefore, I put 2M. X loonies. So I have X loonies. I have to express it as X loonies. Penny. Penny is 100 pennies in a dollar, right? 100 pennies in a dollar. That means 1/100. 100 pennies means 1/100th part. And 1/100th part is in decimal is 0.01. The same thing, right? 100th part of the dollar is penny. And penny can be expressed in decimal form 0.01. So that means X loonies, I have X loonies plus Y pennies. So pennies is 0.1 times Y. No matter how many pennies I have to multiply that with. So if I know the relationship, I can make the algebraic expression. So you guys know now, penny is 100th part. So 100th part means 1/100, and 1/100 means 0.01. You can divide. 100th part means 1/100. That is 1 divided by 100, right? So it's not carrying in 1 because 1 is smaller. So we put decimal, we bring 0. So now it's still not carrying in 100. So I have to put a decimal and a 0. So I have another 0. Now I am carrying 1. So 100 times 1 is 100. So I'm done with the division and I have 0.01. So 0.01 pennies, right? So I have the expression. I have a journal expression. Now I can calculate no matter how many loonies or how many pennies are you telling me, I can find out my dollars, right? So I toonies means, let's suppose I have 2 toonies, right? So how many dollars I have? So toonie is $2. That means if I have 1 toonie, so how many dollars I have? I have $2. So that means I have to divide whatever toonies I have to divide with, you can take any alphabet to show it. So 2I, I toonies means 2I plus J $5 bill. J $5 bill. So 5 times J. Because they are $5 bill, right? So I have to put 5. How many dollars I have? $5 bill I have to multiply by 5 to make them dollars. And how many toonies I have to multiply by 2 to make it dollars. So total dollars I can get by this expression. 2I toonies, right, plus 5J. So in this manner, you can continue your practice and see how we can make the algebraic expressions from the statement. Another question generally asked is, question number 1, I would say I have $C in toonies, right? And $D in quarters, and $D in quarters. Quarters are 1/4, right? Like 25 cents. And D in quarters. How much coins I have? How much coin I have? Now, we have to look at this statement. I have $C in toonies, right? $C in toonies. So that means toonie is $2. The number of the toonies I have to convert it into dollars. So I have to divide it by 2 because toonie is $2. So how many toonies I have to divide that by 2. I will get dollars, right? If I have one C, then I will put 1 C, right? So I have 1/2, right? So I have C/2 plus, and how many D's I have, quarters I have, that I have to multiply by D, right? Because this is quarter. Quarter means 1/4. So whatever I have to multiply that by 4. So how many coins I have? This is the statement that how many coins I have. I have C dollars in toonies and D dollars in quarters. How many coins I have? Another example we can take in this exercise is this. I have a cone. I have a cone like this, the ice cream cone. So I have a cone like this, and I don't know the price of the cone, which is M. And I have a cup of the ice cream. I have a cup of the ice cream. This is $3. So I have a cone and a cup. I know the price of cup, $3, and I don't know the price of the cone, so I put M. Now question is asking, what is the price of 8 cones? Question 1. Who will tell me? What is price of 8 cones? Right? Since I don't know, I know that is $M. So no matter what M is, I will say the price of the 8 cones will be 8M. Right? Now question number 2. What is the price of P cups? What is price of P? P is a variable, but we know that variable will be multiplied with the cost. In this question, we know the price of the cup, right? So price of the cup is $3. So our answer is 3P. Now my question may be, what is the price of 5 cone and N cups? 5 cones and N cups, right? So you have to see the question, and then you have to multiply, divide, add, or subtract with the variables to get that number. What is the price of the 5 cones? So M is the price. So 5 cones will be 5M plus N cups. So 3 is the price of the cup. I have N cups. So I have 3N. Very good. So 5M plus 3M is the price. Another question we can take, or is an example, right? So it's a simple example that how to accommodate variables in terms of whatever is known to us. and we write down that expression, and that expression is called algebraic expression. So now I am saying, what is the price of 9 cones and K cups? So again same, 9 cones, price of the cone is M, so 9 cones will make it 9M, right? Plus K cups. K is unknown no matter what, but the $3 is the price of the cup, so 3K, right? 9M plus 3K is the algebraic expression for this question, right? In this way, we can write down whatever is being asked in terms of algebraic expression. I hope that you understand how to make the algebraic expression in these 2 videos. Hope you like it. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button to receive another educational video. Thank you for watching.